Emakhosini bantwana bethonga, welcome back to ichannel yami nesahleli nesalukazi intombi endala ugogo Patricia. So today ngizokhuluma nomuntu othi gogo mina ngiphupha ngishutha izithombe, right? Guys, iphupho ushutha isithombe yiphupho elingekho mnandi ngendlela eyisimanga. Iphupho mawuphupha umuntu akuthatha isithombe, it can be a selfie, it can be using a phone, it can be using a camera, uphosile wena. It's not a good dream. Lelo phupho libonisa ukuthi kunomuntu ozama ukukuthwebula. It can be bazama ukuthwebula wena, it can be bazama ukuthwebula inhlanhla yakho, it can be bazama ukuthwebula idlozi lakho, but it has to do nokuthwebula, of which iphupho efanele ulicaphele lelo. It's not a good dream. You must be careful. You must be aware nokuthi ubani lo ukuthatha isithombe. But ungabheki umuntu okuthatha isithombe bese uqila kuyena, because sometimes lo okuthatha isithombe, it does not mean ukuthi it's them. People use abanye abantu nobathatha umuso bomunye umuntu basebenzise bona ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi baziveze ngabo emaphushweni. Right? Umuntu othi gogo ngiphupha mina ngidla ephupheni. Ngiphupha ngidla ephupheni, right? Mawuphupha ukudla, it's also not a nice dream. Uphupha wena kunamakaka, it's not a nice dream. Uphupha usetoilet noma itoilet, or uphupha usebenziswa isisu uvela uzimoshele wena, lelo yisichitho. Lelo kuphupha udla idliso, lelo kuphupha ama-toilet amakaka yisichitho. Amaphupho efanele uwacaphele. Be careful of those dreams. Do not be comfortable with them. Abantu abadala, they are trying to show you ukuthi qaphela kunento engalunganga la. Onendlebe uyezwa, ongenendlebe akezwa. Amaphupho umuntu agunda inwele, yiphupho lokuthi kunomuntu ozama ukuthatha inhlanhla yakho noma amandla akho. Your hair, it's your crown. Ikhanda lakho, it's your crown. Do not let anyone to touch your hair. Do not let anyone to cut your hair. Do not let anyone, yabo. Kodwa now wekhanda, it depends. So you must be careful. Sometimes ungaphupha bakuqhina, yabo, or bakulungisa inwele. Mhlambe idlozi lakho likubonisa ukuthi no, sikupha amandla, siyakuqinisa, siyakulungisa. So you have to check the mood. You have to check how it happened. You have to check who was doing it, the location, people around. You know, I've been teaching you how to interpret your own dreams and how to see, was it really a good dream or was it really a bad dream? I've taught you how to do that, and I believe kule stage esikusona, a lot of you who are following me, senila, phela asifundisi. Imagine ufundisa umuntu ka grade 1 how to say a e I o u. That grade 12, you still don't know. I can't be expecting a e I o u. We are moving step by step. So if you're not understanding, go back to my old videos for you to understand and for you to be able to uhambe nathi step by step. But anyway, ngiyabonga emakhosini lesedikhanya xa makunda